Okay, good morning. This video, so I can find this one, involves this. Hopefully I'm going to cut it the right way around. So I'll leave it a bit. And what I want, because this is just a waste of space underneath here, I think your feet stop about here. So I want to fit this toy. I can get it somewhere right. Like that. So I'm going to mark it and I'm going to cut it out. Because I'm going to put one on the other side, I've decided I'm going to put, I'm not too sure what's exactly underneath there, so I'm going to do 3 inches from the edge, 3 inches from the edge, 3 inches from the edge. That's what I'm going to mark. So when it's all done, I shall get my super pen and whap round it. There you go. So I'll drill a hole in each corner and then jigsaw. I'll show you that. Let's do the other side. Double skinned. Fiberglass and wood, that's what it is. Ooh, right, there you go. Let's just see if it fits. I'll have to pull that out first. I was not expecting it to fit straight away. Modernising me boat. Look at that. So I can go down there and that's enough space if I section that off. Pop a battery in there. Oops, sorry, did you see that? Sorry. just put enough on. It's just, if you can see that, no? Just put enough on. It's just squeezing it out. Look, that's what I wanted. I want loads of it. Stainless steel, 5xL 30mm, 20 in a pack. I've got my arm in there again. There you go, you got the picture. So I'll just do the rest, those two, and we'll see what it looks like. There you go. Look at that, just spot on. It's just seeping out. Gonna clean all that up, move some of that foam till it's level, and I'll replace the foam around the side. Now why isn't that closing? Ah, that's alright, that's a good fit. There we go. Now we'll have a close look when I've done the other one as well. There you go. Beautiful. I know people are going to say, oh, what about your cushions you're going to stick on your bum one? Yes, big thick cushions. You can actually you can actually make the foam fit that. So if you needed to get to it, if you put your foam and then shape it, so you just take the measurement of that and just cut a little bit out your foam, easily done. That actually makes the, if you put a whole cushion, so from there all the way down to the end, which is to the end of that, if you made an indent in the cushion, your cushion would stay where it was. So there we go. Lots of, look at the space I've got now. So imagine I had nothing to put buoys, I'll get rid of the foam. So, I mean, you know, that's where your feet go when you're having a snooze in here, but we might, if I take it up to Loch Lomond, have a bit of a snooze in it and do in a couple of overnighters. That would be interesting. Don't know when, depends on when we're clear. But apart from that, I'm absolutely over the moon. 2 lockers fitted. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Like I said, subscribe over there. Next video coming up is over here. Take care. Catch you in the next vid. All the best, guys, gals, everybody. Take care.